what?
Not funny.
Maybe grab some plastic bags.
And then what?
Cover up right here. Put plastic.
That one's okay. Just this one. Take this thing off.
Oh. Here. Is it?
Hope so.
Huh. And the roof is leaking. Somewhere. Where's the water dripping? Ah, right here. Right here. Look at all the water on the floor. Okay. You can see it? No. Water's leaking from right there. Look at that hole. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey, come video me. Come on. Look. Huh? Come on.
So funny.
Look. Right? Look at my shorts. Look, I can go here. Alright, I'm just go. Hi. Huh? Windows leaking.
Water in here. What do you do?
Okay, here. Here, go, grab me a towel. Roof is leaking. It's going to be raining all night. I bet. Because the news was showing all that rain in Bangkok, right? Well, now all the rain's here.
You're not going to sleep tonight?
Huh?
You're not going to sleep tonight?
Huh. Wait. Towels? Window? Right? Right?
Try it.
Good? No?
Try it. Water from that can.
Oh, it's not.
All water from the can.
No, it's not. Water's coming from the wall, right here. Listen, it's quite far away.
Now no water because no wind.
What's the plastic bag? Plastic bag on it. So
It's already wet. So, wet?
What?
No, Santa. Hurry up. It's gonna be windy again.
Okay. One. This is it.
Oh, looks so pretty.
Huh.
pretty bad.
Okay.
Big one. Big 60. 60 bag. Is that big enough? What's he doing?
That's what you get in a third world country. Windows aren't made right. Everything is garbage. Everything you buy breaks down. The column.
It's not gonna be a problem if we pay monthly. We'll pay monthly?
So when Thai build things, they should do it right on the first time. You have windows like this. It's like putting the string on the outside. Why do you put a string on the outside? Or on the inside? Same with outside. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what? Like, can't close it?
Oh, I'll close it.
Can you close the window? Sure?
Well, we'll see. I want the light. There's nothing on mine. Oh, there's water on that. There's water right there. Oh, so much water.